Good morning, children. Welcome back to the computer class. I'm sure all of you are enjoying your video classes. Okay, children, we are going to start our lesson. Before that, we'll have some recap about the previous video. What we have learned in the previous video? Yes, we have learnt about logo commands. What are all the commands we have learnt? Forward, backward, turn left, turn right, repeat, clear screen, clean, clear text, and home command. Forward command. It moves the turtle forward. Backward command moves the turtle backward. And turn left command helps to turn the head of the turtle to the left side. Turn right helps the turtle to head up into the right side. Repeat command helps to repeat the commands. Clear screen, it clears the graphic screen. Clean command, it clears the screen but leaves the turtle where it is. Clear text command removes the list of commands in the window. Home command sends the turtle to home position but leaves the drawing as it is. Isn't it very easy, children? Okay, children, please thorough it. In this class, we are going to learn about logo pen. We are going to learn some pen commands. Pen commands in logo. PU stands for pen up, PD pen down, PE pen erase command, and also pen normal command, which is included in pen commands. Okay, children, what are the pen commands in logo? Pen up, pen down, pen erase, and pen normal. Now, basic commands in logo. HT and ST. HT says about hide turtle and ST says about show turtle. Let us learn each command in detail. Pen up command. PU is the short form for pen up. It lifts the pen from the screen. Example PU. What is the full form of PU? Pen up. The pen up command is used to draw invisible lines. What are called as invisible lines? The lines which we can't see. It lifts the turtle's pen so it doesn't draw anything when moving. Pen up also deactivates the drawing pen. What is the use of pen up command? It helps us to draw invisible lines. That is, it deactivates the drawing pen. You can see the picture found on page 95. The turtle, when we are using pen up command, the turtle will not perform any drawing during this command. Pen up command is used to draw invisible lines. Let us learn how to use pen up command in logo programming. Now I am in the logo programming page. In the commander window, I am going to type some commands. FD50, it helps us to draw a line. And when we are giving the command PU, pen up command, it helps us to draw invisible line. Next one we are going to learn about pen down command, PD. It puts the pen down so that moving the turtle draws a line. The difference between pen up and pen down is this. Pen up command lifts the turtle pen, but pen down command puts the pen down so that moving the turtle will draw a line. Example PD. Pen down command is used to bring back the turtle to the drawing mode. It puts the turtle down so that it will draw when moving. So what is the use of pen down command? It helps to bring back the turtle to the drawing mode so that the turtle go down to draw when it is in move state. Pen down command. puts down the pen of the current turtle, the turtle will then leave a trace when it moves. Example PD. It doesn't leave a trace if it is dragged. Okay, children, we are going to learn how the pen down command is working in this logo programming. FD50. It helps us to draw a line. Next, PD stands for pen down. And to complete this command FD50, it makes a line. Next one, we are going to learn about pen erase command. It sets the pen down and sets the mode to erase. What is the use of pen erase command? When the pen is moved, it will erase whatever is under it. It helps us to erase the drawing or erase the lines. Abbreviation of pen erase command, PE. The pen erase command is used to erase lines that are not required while drawing pictures. The unwanted lines. The turtle erases as it moves. Any move commands will cause the turtle to draw lines in the current background color. So what is the use of pen erase command? It helps us to erase lines which are not required while drawing any picture. Isn't it very easy? Okay, you can see the picture from your book found on page 96 about the pen erase command. Let us learn how to use this pen erase command in the logo programming. We'll start with the command FD50. It helps us to draw a line followed by PE. It says to erase the command pen erase with the new line FD50. Okay, children. Next we move on to pen normal command. Set the pen back to normal mode and cancels erase mode. When we are using pen erase command, if you want to go back with the normal state, you have to use pen normal command. Next one, hiding the turtle, HT. It makes the turtle invisible. It will move much faster when invisible. If you want to hide your turtle, you can go for HT option. If you want to show your turtle back to the visible state, you can give a command ST. Next one is our by command. This command closes the logo application. Okay, children. We'll look at these following 4 commands in the logo screen. First one is hiding the turtle, HT. Are you all seeing? Yes, the turtle is gone now. It is in invisible state. When I want to turtle back, ST. You have to give the command ST. If you want to close your application, logo application, give a by command. Okay, my dear children, let us have quick revise about these commands what we have learned today. Pen up command, PU. It is used to draw invisible lines. Pen down command, it helps us to put the pen down so that moving the turtle draws a line. Pen erase command, PE. It sets the pen down and sets the mode to erase. That's all for today's class, children. Please revise all the commands, children. Have a lovely day. And the students who are celebrating your birthday, I wish you all a very happy birthday. God bless you, children. Stay safe. See you all in the next class.